Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. So this is lesson number 3, animal life revisions. Okay, children. So this is revision. So if you have already written in the classwork these lessons, so please practice in the rough note. If you have not written in the classwork, if you have not completed the classwork, please sit and write in the classwork. Okay, children. Now I am going to do revision. Lesson number 3, that is lesson name is animal life. So if you have written, open your classwork and see. First main hard words. First one, animals. 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 Second one, creatures. 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 Third one, domestic. 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 Fourth one, silkworm. 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 Fifth one, entertainment. 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 Sixth one, butter. 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 Seventh one, earthworm. 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 Eighth one, feathers. 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 Ninth one, parrot. 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 Tenth one, breathe. breathe. Okay, children. So these are the hard words. First one, once again I am going to repeat. First one, animals. Second one, creatures. Third one, domestic. Fourth one, silkworm. Fifth one, entertainment. Sixth one, butter. Seventh one, earthworm. Eighth one, feathers. Ninth one, parrot. Tenth one, breathe. Now second main, fill in the blanks. First one, a beautiful bird with blue-green long feather. So which is that bird? You must write in the dash. So that is a peacock. So peacock. Peacock. Second one, an animal which gives us wool. So which animal will give us wool, children? So in the dash you must write sheep. 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 Third one, an animal which gives us milk. So which animal you will give milk means you must to write in the dash. So which animal will give milk? So cow. 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 Fourth one, an animal with 4 legs. So that is in the dash you must write horse. horse. An animal with no legs. So which animal has no legs, children? So that is snake. 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 Okay, children, once again I will repeat, fill in the blanks. A beautiful bird with blue-green long feathers. Peacock. An animal which gives us wool. Sheep. An animal which gives us milk. Cow. An animal with 4 legs. Horse. An animal with no legs. Snake. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now third main, give examples for the following. First one, name 2 animals that eat grass. So which one will eat grass? You must write that animal's name, any 2. So in the dash you write rabbit, cow. rabbit, rabbit, cow, cow. Second one, name 2 animals that eat flesh. So in the dash you must write lion, tiger. lion, lion, tiger, tiger. Third one, name 2 animals that live in water. So which animals lives in water? You must write that 2 animals name. So I have written here, I have written fish, frog. F-I-S-H, fish, F-R-O-G, frog. So you can write other animals also name. So that is, for example, crocodile, turtle, crab, all you can write. But I have written in the book fish and frog. Fourth one, name two animals that have wings. So in the dash I have written sparrow, pigeon. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. So still so many birds are there that has wings, like a crow, peacock, dove and all. So you can write that name also, but I have written here sparrow and pigeon. Fifth one, name two animals that can hop. Andre negyodu. So I have written here frog, turtle. F-R-O-G, frog. T-U-R-T-U-T-U-L-E, turtle. Sorry. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. So the two animals that can hop are frog, turtle. Okay, children. Now next main, write yes or no. First one, domestic animals live in forest. So which animal live in forest, children? Wild animals. So here they are given domestic animals will live in forest. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you write NO, no. Second one, hens give us eggs and meat. So hen means koli. Eggs means motte, meat means no. So mamsa. So hen will give no, children. So you write in the bracket yes, yes. Third one, tiger is a pet animal. So tiger is a wild animal, no, children. So here they are given pet animal. So it is wrong. So you put in the bracket N1, no. Fourth one, donkeys and camels carry loads for us. So it is correct. Donkey will also carry our load. Camels also will carry our load. So in the bracket you write yes. Fifth one, lion and elephant are wild animals. Yes, they both are wild animals and they live in the jungle. So in the bracket you write yes. So these are the yes or no. Now fifth main, match the following. In the A side they are given first one cow, second one hen, third one horse, fourth one sheep, fifth one donkey. And in the B side they are given riding, wool, carry loads, milk, egg. So you must put the numbers or you can match by putting the line. So for first one cow, in the B side in the fourth line milk is there. So you write there 1. Second one hen. So hen will give us egg, no. So in the fourth line in the B side in the fifth line egg is there. There you put number 2. Third one horse. So in the B side in the first line it is there riding. So you will sit on the horse and ride, no, children. So for that you put 3. Fourth one sheep. So in the B side in the second line wool is there. So you write for that in the bracket number 4. Fifth one donkey. Donkey means kate. So in the B side in the third line it is there. So it will carry our loads, no, children. So you write there number 5. So the number is 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, children. So I'll read the correct answer. Cow, milk. Hen, egg. Horse, riding. Sheep, wool. Donkey, carry loads. Next main. Answer the following. First one, what are the types of animals? Answer. The types of animals are domestic animals and wild animals. TH the TYPES types, OF of animals, animals. Domestic, domestic. Animals, animals. And wild, wild. Animals. The types of animals are domestic animals and wild animals. Second one, how do we get wool and silk? Answer, we get wool from sheep and silk from silkworms. WVGET, get, WOOL, wool, FROM, from, SHEEP, sheep, and SILK, silk, FROM, from, SILKWORMS, silkworms. We get wool from sheep and silk from silkworms. Third one, give 3 examples of meat-giving animals. Answer, 3 examples of meat-giving animals are goat, hen, fish. THREE3EXAMPLES, examples. OF of MEAT, meat. GIVING, giving. ANIMALS, animals. AR GOAT, goat. HEN, hen. FISH, fish. 3 examples of meat-giving animals are goat, hen, fish. Fourth one, what are called pet animals? Animals which we keep at home for fun and entertainment are called pet animals. ANIMALS, animals. WHICH, which. WEKEEP, keep. AT, at. HOME, home. FOR, for. FUN, fun. AND, and. ENTER, TAINMENT, entertainment. ARCALLED, called. PET, pet. ANIMALS, animals. Fifth one, name the items that are prepared with milk. Answer, curd, butter, cheese, ice cream, paneer, and sweets are the items that are prepared with milk. CURD, curd. BUTTER, butter. CHEESE, cheese. ICECREAM, ice cream. PANNEER, paneer. And SWEET, sweets. ARER, the. ITEMS, items. THAT, that. PREPARED, prepared. WITH, with. MILK, milk. Sixth one, what do we get from hens? Answer, we get eggs from hens. WEVGT, get. EGGS, eggs. FROM, from. HENS, hens. We get eggs from hens. Seventh one, explain the difference between domestic animals and wild animals. Answer, domestic animals, animals that are kept by men in their houses for various purposes and are useful, help in different ways. ANIMALS, animals. THAT, that. ARERKEPT, kept. BY, by. MEN, men. IN, in. THEIR, there. HOUSES, houses. FR, for. VARIOUS, various. PURPOSE, purpose. And ARER USEFUL, useful. HELP, help. IN, DIFFERENT, different. WAYS, ways. Now next is wild animals. Animals that are found in the forest. Some animals are useful. ANIMALS, animals. THAT, that. ARERFOUND found, INTH the, FOREST forest, SOME some, ANIMALS animals, ARERUSE useful. Next, eighth one, write a short note on birds. Answer. We see many birds around us. Birds have beaks and feathers. Feathers do many jobs for birds. Soft down keeps them warm. Wing feathers allow flight, and tail feathers are used for steering. Birds like hen gives us eggs and meat. Eggs are part of our healthy diet. We eat its meat also. WESEECMANY many, BIRDS birds, AROUND around, USS. BIRDS birds, HAV have, BEAKS beaks, and FEATHERS feathers. FEATHERS feathers, DODO MANY JOBS jobs, FR for BIRDS birds, SOFT DOWN soft down, KEEPS keeps, THEM them, WARM warm, WING wing, FEATHERS feathers, ALLOW allow, FLIGHT flight, AND TAIL tail, FEATHERS feathers, ARER used, FR for, STEERING steering, BIRDS birds, like, HEN hen, GIES gives, USS, EGGS eggs, and MEAT meat. EGGS eggs, PART pot, OF our, HEALTHY healthy, DIET diet, WEEAT eat, ITS eats, MEAT meat, ALSO also. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again, I am saying you that if you have finished in your classwork, you practice in the rough note. So if you have not written in the classwork, please see this video and write in the classwork neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.